Hey, I am going to show you the unboxing of our Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. I'm going to record it in portrait view just because it's a tall box. I mean, when I say tall, it's about, I don't know, probably from the floor to just about my hip, maybe about 3 feet tall. But I will go ahead and unbox it and we can see what's in it together. How exciting. All right. So I don't want to hear any comments or see any comments about filming in portrait mode. So this is what's in the box right when you open it up. So the first thing is your brochure with the no need to return to the store. Give us a call, problem solved. Hopefully we won't need that number. Registration. Then warranty activation. All right, let's see. So then we have the bowl. Next out, we have the crevice tool, and it looks like the dual brush and tool, whatever it's called. The one that has the brush and then you slide the brush back. This one, I assume, is the corner tool. This is the soft brush. This one's the soft brush tool, so that's how it comes packaged. All right, and then this piece, have the main component with the battery pack. Up there. The side, so the dogs can look at it. See, Daphne's already checking it out. All right, and then we have the next batch. This is for wall mounting. I assume the tools will go in there. I'm not yet sure what this is for, but I'm sure that I will figure it out after I read the instructions. And then there are the instructions. Next here. Okay, then we have the multi-tool. Cannot wait to use this on the couch for the dog hair. That one flies right up. See here, this is the charger, or the, I guess, adapter, the AC adapter. And then the last piece in the box is our main brush head. And this one is the animal, so it is not the, I think this is the torque brush, so it's got the suction control on the front, but I think that the Dyson Animal is the one that has the, is it the one with the torque brush? I'll have to look it up and then I'll update it later. And you can see it's got the Dyson ball kind of action going on there, so we'll have to finish and update you once I get it put together. And I'll give you a shot of all of the tools. But this is the unboxing. Very exciting new toy.